Hello to all our page followers and welcome to your page. Today, we want to teach you another important FL Studio tip. Although this tutorial is very simple and short, it's extremely practical and will save you a lot of time while arranging a track, boosting your workflow speed by up to 10 times. But before we start, if you're new here and enjoy tutorials like this, make sure to check out our page and explore the other videos and playlists. We have many practical tutorials for a wide range of softwares. Also, if you like this style of tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our page using the icon at the bottom right. Let's dive into the tutorial. As a music producer, you've probably experienced wanting to use different samples in your arrangement. Maybe you even create a folder of your favorite samples to use it repeatedly. These samples can be drum elements like kicks, snares or hats, or even loops that are widely used in electronic and house music. Many companies sell these sample packs, which can help improve the quality of your productions. But how can we quickly browse through these packs? Listen to our favorite samples, select them, and import them into the software. Usually, people create a folder for their samples on their computer, play them with a media player, and then move on to the next one. With thousands of samples available, this process becomes exhausting. Sometimes during this process, producers forgot exactly which sample they were looking for, or even worse, lose the original idea they had for a melody or arrangement. A huge tragedy for any producer. However, there is a very simple solution for this in FL Studio for producers who use this DAW. Let's go through it step by step. First, open FL Studio. From the top left toolbar, select Options, then choose File Settings. In the window that opens, go to the Browser Extra Search folders. Here, you'll see many empty slots for folder selection. Click on one of the folder icons. In the next window, you'll be asked to select the main location of the folder you want to add to the browser. Navigate to your pre-made folder. Select it and click Select Folder. You'll see that the folder has been added to the browser window. Now, close the setting window by clicking the X button. In FL Studio, the browser window is located on the left side, giving you access to all folders within the software. Scroll to find your desired folder. Once found, click on it, and you'll see all your samples organized exactly as they are in the folder. You can now browse through thousands of samples. With a single click, you can listen to them, view their waveform, and see how much faster and easier this method is compared to the previous one. Accessing the waveform also allows you to see exactly which type of sample you're using. We hope you enjoyed this very simple and practical tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so to benefit from all our tutorials. If you have any questions about this tutorial, leave them in the comments and we will respond as soon as possible. To stay updated with our latest tutorials, don't forget to enable the notification bell. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you in the next practical tutorial. Goodbye.